3, 2, 1.
Falling and rising air and water molecules inside of clouds are believed to be factors in the formation of lightning. Which kind of energy transfer is taking place to cause this weather phenomenon? The answer is D, mechanical to electrical. What has a neck but no head? The answer is A, bottle. Which is an effect of regular exercise? The answer is D, stronger heart. Transport of water and solutes in plant water potential is a measure of the difference in potential energy between a water sample and this. The answer is B, pure water. The turbine of a windmill spins and creates what? The answer is D, electricity. What has corners but can't be found in a room? The answer is B, corner sofa. Although the poodle is widely associated with France, in which country is it believed to have originated? The answer is A, Germany. The amarok, which is typical for the mythology of the Eskimos, is what kind of an animal? The answer is C, wolf. Which ocean is bordered by Australia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and the Philippines? The answer is B, Pacific Ocean. Which car is not windy? The answer is B, Renault Megane. Who portrays Joseph Pulitzer, the founder of the Pulitzer Prize, in the 1992 Disney film musical, Newswas? The answer is B, Robert Duvall. What term is used to describe the energy of matter in motion? The answer is A, kinetic energy. What is the handheld, keyboard-less version of the organ called? The answer is C, accordion. In King Nebuchadnezzar's dream from the second chapter of the book of Daniel, what kingdom does the head of gold represent? The answer is C, Babylonian Empire. What is the nearest star to Earth excluding our Sun?
The answer is A, Proxima Centauri.
Which kitchen appliance can be used to bake cakes? The answer is C, oven. For which film did Frank Sinatra get his Oscar? The answer is A, From Here to Eternity. What body system allows humans to move? The answer is B, muscular system. What is odontology the study of? The answer is D, the structure and diseases of teeth. Which instrument has a rectangular wooden box resonator and 4 strings? The answer is A. Ukulele. In which city does the movie Dreamgirls begin? The answer is D. Detroit. Which of the following fractions is smaller, 7/8 or 5/9? The answer is C. They are equal. What is the national motto of the Republic of Colombia? The answer is A. Liberty and order. I am a Roman god who was once the Greek god of wine, intoxication, madness, and poetry. Who am I? The answer is A. Dionysus. On the hit television show WKRP in Cincinnati, Dr. Johnny Fever had a girlfriend that worked at the radio station. What was her name? The answer is C. Bailey Quarters. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? The answer is A. William Shakespeare. Which philosopher wrote about the social contract? The answer is A. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Heat expansion is a result of the increase of what type of energy, exhibited by molecules bumping together? The answer is A. Kinetic energy. Which author wrote The Divine Comedy? The answer is C. Dante Alighieri. What's used to cut paper? The answer is A. Scissors. The answer is A. Twin Pines Mall. During which season was the number of teams in the English Premiership reduced to 20? The answer is A. 1995-96. Which resource is more available due to improvements in deep-sea drilling technology? The answer is A. Crude oil. The Boeing 747 is often called what? The answer is A. Jumbo jet. When a mixture of oxygen and hydrogen is ignited in a test tube, the reaction shown occurs. Hydrogen plus oxygen, water plus energy. What happens to the total mass of the contents of the test tube? The answer is C. The total mass remains the same. Which natural process is responsible for the formation of the Mississippi Delta? The answer is C. Deposition. Which tool is used to mix paints or concrete? The answer is A. Hammer. What ancestors did caecilians evolve from? The answer is D. Tetrapod. What is a lightweight, portable seat without back or arms called? The answer is C. Armchair. What is the name of the main character in The Revenant? The answer is C. Leonardo DiCaprio. What sport uses a rack? The answer is B. Pool. In one of Donald Horne's novels, which was the lucky country? The answer is D. Australia. A producer makes its own what? The answer is D. Sustenance. Where is the clothing brand Lacoste originally from? The answer is C. France. In what show did Judd Hirsch voice a man who is building a nuclear bomb for the Keebler Elves? The answer is D. Family Guy. Which clothing item was originally used by samurais? The answer is A. Kimono. A student is going to walk outside to observe her shadow at 4 different times during a day. At which time will the student most likely notice her shadow is the shortest? The answer is B. 12:05 in the afternoon. What organ has 4 ventricles, all of which developed from the original hollow space within a neural tube? The answer is C. Brain. In sexually reproducing organisms, parents pass a copy of each type of what to their offspring by producing gametes? The answer is B. Chromosome. What does the term mathematical induction refer to in logic?